In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and ever merciful. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all of my school fellows. My name is Danial Ahmed and I read in class 10. Are you ready for assembly? Today is 6th September 2023 and we celebrated Defense Day of Pakistan every year. It is martyred people who gave sacrifice of their life for defense of the country because shahadat matloob wa maqsood momin. First of all, I would like to invite Muhammad Usman. Please come on the stage for the recitation of Holy Quran. Jazakallah. We are celebrating the Day of Defense, a cunning enemy we had to face, but our work is grace. Yes, my dear fellows, on 6th September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a thief, but our army zindabad. वो आग लगाने जो आए थे आशियाने को, वो शोले अपने लहू से बुझा दिए तुमने. Now I would like to invite class 9 to come on the stage and show your love for Pakistan Army. ए वतन के सजेले जवानों, मेरे नगमे तुम्हारे लिए. Thanks for beautiful Mili Nagma. Dear fellows, this day of 6th September starts with special prayers for the peace and prosperity of Pakistan. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल न हो. I would like to invite Afaq Ahmed for Defense Day speech. Speech Afaq Ahmed. Thank you, Afaq. Now I would like to invite Waqas Ahmed for poetry on 6th September. न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए हिंदुस्तान वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तानों में. अकाबों के तसल्लुत पर फिजाएं फख्र करती हैं, खुदी के राजदानों पर दुआएं फख्र करती हैं. वतन से जिनके पैदा हो महमूद आलम, वो धरती सर उठाती है, वो माएँ फख्र करती हैं. वो धरती सर उठाती है, वो माएँ फख्र करती हैं. I would like to invite Ma'am Farwa. Please come on the stage for your message on Defense Day. Thank you, ma'am. You highlighted, so all the students of our school are well aware about it. So my dear students, this is what happened on 6th September 1965. At 5 a.m., the Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore, Barki sector. Pakistani Army officers like Captain Sarwar Shaheed, Lance Naik, Major Ajit Bhatti Shaheed sacrificed their lives and were awarded with Nishan-e-Haidar for their acts of exceptional bravery. It should also be observed as a Thanksgiving Day. We should all be praying for safety and solidarity of Pakistan. We must pray for the freedom and honor of our good given motherland Pakistan for now and always. In the end of assembly, I would request you to stand for the national anthem. Pak Sar Zameen Shad Bad, Ki Ishware Haseen Shad Bad.